Almost every website or online service you use relies on network communication behind the scenes. At the very core of this communication is the TCP protocol, which ensures reliable data exchange between devices. In this video, we'll create a simple TCP server and client using Python to see how this works in practice. On the server side, we create a socket, bind it to localhost on port 99999, and use listen to wait for incoming connections. The crucial method here is accept, which pauses the server until a client connects, then returns both the connection object and the client's address. We use recv to receive data from the client, decode it, print it on the screen, and then send a response back with send. On the client side, we create another socket and connect to the server using connect. We send a greeting message with send, wait for the server's reply using recv, and print the response. Finally, both client and server close their connections properly. Now let's see it in action. First, start the server by running python-server.py in the terminal. You'll see it listening and waiting for a client. Then in another terminal, run the client with python-client.py. Here's what the output looks like. This simple example lays the foundation for understanding how devices communicate over networks. Next, we'll build on this by adding more features and handling multiple clients.